Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and of course you can take your time to browse through the channel, learn my trading strategies, and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, and of course guys, if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets we will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are joining me live and direct, then you will have to, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This started an uptrend right from here. It came to an end at this point, and of course it started a downtrend. That is why you are seeing the downtrend signal and the sell signal. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course let's check the current chart. Okay, this actually sold till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below it, so it started buying right from there, but we needed to break out above this resistance zone, and that is what it will be trying out again. Okay, if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. Okay, if it does not, then it will sell again. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and of course this had been on uptrend for a while. It got to this resistance and was unable to go above it, so it has started selling right from there. So this is selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, so this is crash 500, and of course this actually sold right from this resistance until it got to this support zone. Right from here it was unable to break out below it, and it is still buying at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75, and of course guys, V75 has been on downtrend right from this resistance. It has been selling, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course went back down to break out below this support zone, and of course it got to a new support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, then it will go back on a buy trend, but for now it is still selling. This might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buy trend. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.